Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can switch back to personal account on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. For that, simply go ahead, first open up your Instagram app, go to home, where you will be able to check out the account and the home section, and then tap on this account profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then go back a little bit. So let's say this is the account we are on and you would like to switch to another account, maybe a personal or professional account you was in. Now you want to switch to a private account. Tap on horizontal line on top right corner, scroll all the way to the bottom, and you will find this add account section. Tap on add account and simply go ahead, tap on login to existing account. You can continue with your profile, tap on use another profile and add in the profile's information. Tap on login and you will be logged with another profile. Now when you would like to switch back to your another profile, once you have logged in, you will find this icon. You can double tap on it and then you will switch to another account right away, which will be a personal or private. So that's how you can do it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.